Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Breeze Hill Elementary School in Vista, California, home of the Coyotes, and just got done sharing my heart here in the MPR for my second visit this school year. And we spoke, myself, to the AM/PM after school students and staff. And the topic was revisiting the theme of respect. The sub-theme was that we're all true miracles. And we know that all of us with the lines on our hands have the letter M, right? I trace one of mine here. I do this in every assembly because that's so important to me. But all of us with the lines on our hand have the letter M. That M stands for miracle, like the front of my shirt, the one I wear for this program too. Upside down W's for worthy, that we're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love to both give it and receive it. But we truly have to buy into this and believe it, because there's been so many students across the 21 states that I've spoken to over the last 15 years of my life, to over 1 million students and staff at schools all across the U.S. that sometimes have never been told this, forget this, or just need a reminder, right? And we can be that light to their hearts. And it's so important when we think about hearts, right, that we always are conscious and aware of our actions, what we say and do before we say them, right? Because we know the power of our words. They can destroy or they can uplift. And like you see on the screen, one of the slides from the presentation today, there's a bruise, physical bruise. These are ones you can see, but the ones that you can't see, you can only feel inside here. And we know that the things that we say and do to each other can either leave painful heart marks on someone's heart that might last a lifetime, or we can be someone that helps erase those marks by showing kindness to ourselves, to others, because it feels good to do that, right? Or if somebody shows kindness to us, right? That those help to erase, some of that past pain or current pain that we might be feeling. And the students really got that today. They really understood that sometimes we have to stop and pop, right? The power of the pause, that we sometimes take a breath, count backwards from 10, just take a step back, kind of assess the situation, think before we speak, right? Think before we act. Because we don't want to, hit right back or say something mean right back if somebody does that to us. We want to be able to rise above that hate, still show love, and hopefully help kind of lower that situation from escalating into something that's going to be even worse, right? We know that more violence begets more violence, and the cycle just keeps continuing. But if we can be the bigger people and know that the person that's doing that is probably hurting, and not take it personal, know that not every opinion matters, but really try to show the people that need it the most that love, that unconditional love that we've talked about before, then that's huge, right? And we know that true happiness, it's not going to come from just focusing on our own. We have to really think about others too. When we work together, when we help each other, then we actually find our own happiness as well. So thanks for touching my heart. Another beautiful afternoon here at Breeze Hill. Can't wait to be back again in May for my final visit for this school year. Until then, they'll have a great next few months. And as always, feel free to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.